What's going on, everyone? I'm the Grooming Guy. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in today. If you are new or haven't had a chance to, please smash the subscribe button. Should be here or over here somewhere. But smash the hell out of it. Hit the little bell. You're gonna get notified every time I drop a men's grooming review. Let's just jump straight into this review. So today we're talking about Jack Black Oil-Free Sun Guard 45 SPF. So this is a sunscreen. Let's jump straight into the cost of this guy. I have the 1.5 ounce bottle. Get this for 10 bucks. They have a 4 ounce bottle as well. That is $21. You can pick these up on Amazon or on Jack Black's website. Links will be down in the description, so please check those out. And the other thing I'll mention to you guys is they also have like a tattoo protectant pack on Amazon and Jack Black's website. So that might come in handy for anyone that's, got ink or tatted up a little bit. Just protect those tattoos. I believe that it's a 3-pack, comes with obviously the sunscreen, but then like a tattoo enhancer, and there's a third item in there as well, but that little pack goes for 25 bucks. So like I said, links will be down there. Check those out. So let's go from cost into quality. So quality, great stuff. That's the whole reason of me kind of bringing this to you guys and doing a review on it. It's summertime, obviously. You're gonna want to protect your skin if you're at the beach, hiking, fishing, playing basketball at the park. Doesn't matter what it is, you're gonna want to protect your skin. And this is great quality. Once again, that's the whole point of me kind of bringing this to the forefront so you guys can check it out. I think you're gonna benefit from it. It's water resistant as well. So at the beach, at the lake, at the river, it doesn't matter where you're at, any body of water, it's gonna handle it just fine. They say 80 minutes is kind of what your length of time is with being in the water. Then you're gonna want to reapply after that. So me personally, I pretty much use this daily. I got some tattoos, so I use it on my tattoos. And if I'm going to the beach or the lake, then I'll also throw this on as well. So definitely beneficial, especially right now. It's starting to heat up out there. You guys need to protect your skin. Other than that though, I mean, great stuff. 80 minutes worth of water resistance, 45 SPF, so it's pretty damn strong. You can find stronger out there, but I don't think you really need it unless you're gonna be, in extremely high temperature for long periods of time. But this is great quality. Anything Jack Black, you guys know, high quality. I've done plenty of reviews for Jack Black products in the past. No, I do not work for them. I just love their products. Check out my other reviews. They're gonna be up here in the corners. I'll drop a couple links up there. Check those guys out. But anyway, that's the review. Should you buy this or not? Fuck yeah, pick it up. If you go out in the sun at all, protect your skin, use this sunscreen. It's gonna benefit you. I think you're gonna love it. Lasts a long time. Not too oily or greasy. I mean, most sunscreen is to a certain extent, but this isn't as bad as most of the others out there. Mostly just because of the quality that you're getting out of it. And you don't need a lot either, which is kind of cool. Tiny bit of this goes a long way. That's why I got the 1.5 ounce bottle. I don't need a whole ton of it. I apply it once in the morning, pretty much solid throughout the day, unless I'm gonna go be hanging out at the beach in the water, the lake in the water, whatever the case is. But this stuff is strong, quality's on point, gets the job done. Definitely pick it up. $10 for 1.5 ounce bottle, $21 for the 4 ounce. That's the review. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, 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 you are new or haven't had a chance to like the video after you're done watching it. Comment below if you have this sunscreen or you plan on picking it up, or if you have any other questions. Any comment, I don't really give a shit. drop a comment below. I appreciate it. And last but not least, please subscribe to the video or subscribe to my channel if you haven't had a chance to. Greatly appreciated. All the support is very much appreciated. Smash the subscribe button, one of these corners, hit that little bell. You get notified every time I drop a men's grooming review. Till next time, I'm the grooming guy. I'm out.